Ciao guys, buongiorno from Brescia, Italy. Today we're going to film a little bit unusual video. We will unbox a new MacBook Pro. So let's do it. Let's go.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.